So, what are certain criteria that men have to go through that make them thoda sa vulnerable to mental illnesses?
First of all, before answering this, I would like to tell you the astonishing figures which are being come up with mental health issues.
Yeah.
1 in 7 Indian males are suffering from mental health challenges.
Wow.
So this is the figure which we have seen in India. And if we talk about suicide rate, in 2021 it was being reported that there were 74,000 suicides more in males than in females. Not only this, globally also we see. So WHO reported the US-based data that in US almost 80% of suicides are committed by males. That's a big
That's a
figure,
big
which is
number.
4 times more commonly seen in males as compared to females.
Hello, everyone. Good afternoon, good evening, good morning. I'm Anjali Kolati, and today we are shooting our first episode of Think with Dr. Daman. So, we are going to talk about mental health, destigmatizing topics of mental health which are not very easily talked about, to make mental health be spoken about more freely, authentically, and openly. So, welcome, Dr. Daman. It's so nice to meet you and have you in with us.
Thank you, Anjali. Thank you for introducing me.
Yeah.
So, when you came up with this idea of, creating such episodes and creating podcasts, I was little hesitant about it. मेरे को लग रहा था कि मैं तो बहुत कैमरा शाई पर्सन हूँ, मैं कैसे करूँगी ये सब. एंड देन यू जस्ट एनकरेज मी, नहीं मैम हम करेंगे इसको, क्योंकि हमें एक कम्युनिटी बिल्ड करनी है जिसमें मेंटल हेल्थ के बारे में बात हो, जिसको सुन के लोगों को लगे नहीं, यस वी आर बीन लोग जो हैं सोसाइटी में हमें सुनेंगे, जिनको फील हो कि हाँ हम इसी इश्यूज से गुजर रहे हैं, उनको रिलेटेबल लगे और उनको लगे कि नहीं लोग हमें सुन सकते हैं विदाउट बीइंग जज्ड, राइट. तो फिर मुझे लगा कि नहीं, वी शुड कम अप विद दिस एंड वी शुड क्रिएट अवेयरनेस एज मच एज पॉसिबल. एंड सिंस दिस इज योर वर्ल्ड, जेंजीज वर्ल्ड, आई एम लिटिल, हमारी बस छूट गई थी हम लोग तो बस को देखते रह गए एंड नाउ वी आर ट्राइंग टू get ourselves gelling into this kind of era where in digital world these things are also becoming mandatory. I'm trying my best to give as much as possible in relation to whatsoever needed for mental health awareness.
Absolutely. I think, yes, I do remember myself when I came up with this idea. I thought, like, why are we focusing on one kind of, way of going and talking to people? So I think it's nice that you also gave the podcast a chance. And here we are shooting our
Yes.
first episode. I
Yes,
think we
yes.
couldn't be prouder than this.
Yes.
And so let me talk about you a little bit. So Dr. Daman has an experience of 15 years and more in psychiatry. She's a psychiatrist herself, and she's also the founder of Think Mental Health app that we have just released 1 year ago. It's still a baby, and we're still building it up together. And my name is Anjali. I'm a psychologist and also the project director of Think. So let's start. Let's dive in. So let me talk about the topic that we're going to talk about today. So everybody has heard about this very recent and tragic case of Mr. Atul Subhash. And I don't think we need to, go to the detail of things. It has shook the world. And mental health has never been so open, yet so sad with the state of people, in our society. And this particular case has risen up a lot of dialogues around men mental health. So I think this is very important that we're talking about it, and it's a good start. It's a topic that a lot of people have only spoken in, shadows. So what do you think about this, and what did you feel, Dr. Daman, when you heard the case the first time?
Yes, it was very heartbreaking when I heard about Atul Subhash, who was a techie guy based in Bangalore and had some marital discord with his wife from last 3-4 years. So it was very heartbreaking to know that men go through a lot of emotions and hard times, but then they are not, very open to talk about their mental health issues.
Right.
And when it comes to mental health, so mental health is a thing which does not discriminate on the basis of gender. हम सब ह्यूमन बींग्स हैं, हम सब में इमोशंस हैं, हम सब में एक ही ब्रेन है, एक ही डोपामीन, एक ही सेरोटोनिन है. सो जब मेंटल हेल्थ इश्यूज आएंगे वो किसी को भी आ सकते हैं, बी इट अ मैन और बी इट अ वुमेन. बट men does not talk about mental health because of many reasons. For example, the most common is the society wherein we are sitting right now. It is so much ingrained to the roots that it is believed that men should be always keep their heads up, and always they should, show their masculine angle of their life. And talking about mental health, emotions, or feelings is kind of, stigmatized in a way that they feel that if they will talk about it, that will show their weakness. So
Right.
this is one of the major hindrance that why mental health issues are not being spoken about in case of men.
Yeah.
So
Right.
yeah.
I think you mentioned a very important point that there isn't just one thing that men, struggle with. There are so many things, and I'm sure like there is a huge list of, criterias as to why mental health in men is so undermined, it's so neglected. And so I want to ask, like based on these lines only, Dr. Daman, like what kind of patient crowd you have recently come across, like especially after this case. So let's have the viewers, listen to this part.
So far in my practice, when I see male patients as well, and I see, to my astonishment, I have seen it's the ratio of 40 to 60. I am
Wow.
seeing 40% of my OPD as males and 60% as females.
Mhm.
So in a metro city like ours, wherein we are based, people are getting aware, and they are coming up, but they still do not want to talk to their
Mhm.
families. Majorly, the male patients, they come up alone, and they tell me that my family does not know about it. I have seen a male patient whose wife just passed away month ago. So he literally cried. He must be around 60. And when he entered into my room, I was giving his history, and he was grieving
Mhm.
his wife's demise.
So sad.
And he just cried like a small child, and he said कि मैं बाहर नहीं रो सकता, मेरा बेटा is unmarried, I cannot cry in front of him. वो कहता कि मैंने सोचा था रिटायरमेंट के बाद मेरी वाइफ और मैं हम
Mm.
अच्छा टाइम स्पेंड करेंगे, एंड वो मेरा ध्यान रखेगी, वो मुझसे छोटी थी, बट वो पहले चली गई। अब घर में खाना पकाने वाला कोई नहीं, अब घर में घर की देख रेख करने वाला
Mm.
कोई नहीं, मैं लोनली फील करता हूँ। सो दैट वाज अगेन अ हार्ड पार्ट ऑफ द सोसाइटी, दैट men are not being, they are being, you know grown up with this mentality of, that you are a male and you
Yeah.
will not do household work, or you will not participate in
Mm.
household chores. Again, that makes a kind of, handicapped
Oh,
to a
yes.
male as well,
Right.
because they become so much dependent upon the female counterpart of their lives, that अगर वो हैं तो घर
Mm.
में चूल्हा चौका चलेगा, नहीं तो नहीं.
Mm.
So that again add on the stress into the
Right.
grief, right? Then I have seen another patient whose mother was recently diagnosed with heart disease.
Mhm.
She just had chest pain, and it was came out to be a cardiovascular disease. He is young male, in his 30s,
Okay.
unmarried, and he again had a panic attack, apprehending that
Mm.
उसकी mother को कुछ हो गया तो
My
how will
God.
he be able to manage things. So उसकी mother के emergency stenting हुई, वो ठीक
Mm.
हो गई,
Mm.
but वो panic disorder के साथ he
My
landed up
God.
into my OPD,
So
saying that
sad.
his blood pressure was shooting like his own mother's blood
Okay.
pressure was, and he started apprehending that उसको भी कहीं heart disease ना हो जाए.
Mm.
So
Wow.
these kind of things,
Mm.
it's very common, and it is very normal that it can come to any
Mm.
gender, be it male or female.
True, true. And two very sensitive things you mentioned, Dr. Daman, and thank you for sharing the case also, because in the first one you mentioned that there is a guilt also in men, that we don't associate men with guilt very easily. Either we think that they're not capable of it, or they will do anything in their capacity to not show that side to themselves. So in the first case, I somewhere, like I think being part of the other gender, I realized that we are always associating very stigmatized adjectives to men. You were right, like when you said that they're being grown up in a way where toughness, or let's say being very strong for the other counterpart, in this case a female counterpart, is so strongly embedded that it's very difficult to shake off. And then when things go sad, as it did in the first case that you mentioned, they are quite literally handicapped. They
Yes.
don't know how to look out for themselves because that is not the job they were
Hmm.
told to do.
Yes.
And I think the second one is just as sad, that because men also associate their feelings with the person that they are with,
Hmm.
even if they happen to be their mother or
Their wife.
wives or sisters.
Yeah.
And and I'm really happy that this client or the patient came to you, because I can only imagine that, knowing कि ये उसकी प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, knowing कि ये उसकी मदर के साथ हुआ है, बट स्टिल जैसे हम एक टर्म यूज करते हैं इंट्रोजेक्ट कर जाना,
Hmm.
तो इट्स सो इजी फॉर मेन ऑल्सो टू इंट्रोजेक्ट. हमें थियोरेटिकली पता है एज प्रोफेशनल्स, बट आई डोंट थिंक हम इन प्रैक्टिस इस चीज़ को इतना एग्जाम्पल बेस्ड बता सकते हैं. सो बोथ ऑफ दीज थिंग्स आर, आई थिंक, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू नोट डाउन फॉर यूजर्स ऑल्सो, कि ये दो चीज़ें अगर मेन फील कर रहे हैं, इट्स बिकॉज एज राइटली सेड कि इट डज, मेंटल हेल्थ और मेंटल इलनेस डज नॉट डिस्क्रिमिनेट.
Hmm.
So, I think going forward, I'm very curious personally also, when we talk about certain vulnerabilities, that let's say that being myself, I would have a vulnerability to getting married or having dialogues in my family ki itni umar ho gayi, ab shadi kar lo. And even let's say menstrual cycles, all these things are very feminine oriented, mental health concerning criterias. So what are certain criterias that men have to go through that make them thoda sa vulnerable to mental illnesses?
First of all, before answering this, I would like to tell you the astonishing, figures which are being come up with the mental health issues.
Right.
1 in 7 Indian males are suffering from mental health challenges.
Wow.
So this is the figure which we have seen in India. And if we talk about suicide rate, in 2021, it was being reported that there were 74,000 suicides more in males than in females. And not only this, globally also we see. So WHO reported the US based data that in US almost 80% of suicides are committed by males.
My
That's
God.
a big
That's a
figure,
big
which is
number.
4 times more commonly seen in males as compared to females. So
Wow.
there could be many reasons because of it. Maybe they do not express their psychological issues, they don't seek help for their psychological issues, they are easily accessible to the sources of committing suicide, probably maybe because of that. And they are more vulnerable. I believe that females se zyada men are more vulnerable to
Wow.
psychological issues
Really?
than to females, because females have that upper edge of expressing themselves.
Yeah.
They have the upper edge of venting out things themselves, right? They can, they can cry and they can express their emotions. If they are sad, they can express themselves to be sad the
Right.
way they are. And they are they can diffuse themselves, just by talking to a friend or to your near and dear ones, and just,
Yeah.
venting out your emotions. But men, they just, pile up their emotions to that extent that
Yeah.
they can be vulnerable to doing harsh things in their
True,
life.
true, true.
Like you asked me that who people who are more vulnerable.
Right.
So all men are vulnerable to mental health issues,
Right.
but there are some risk factors which we can identify. It's not necessary that all those who fall into this risk factors, they are vulnerable, but yes, they are more than as compared to general population. Number one is family history. So if there is a family history of any mood disorder, bipolar or schizophrenia, or any addictions, those males are more vulnerable. Then people who are having employment related issues like workplace stress, work overload, long hours, no time to take rest and all,
Right.
right? Then there is any history of any marital discord happening, just like in case of this,
Yeah.
we started with Atul Subhash case. So marital discord, it can be dispute, it can be fights, conflicts, divorce, anything. So
Yeah.
those men are again vulnerable to have mental health challenges.
Right.
Then is there is any financial or legal implications going on in the life of a male. Again, it puts up a lot of stress. A lot of stress. I have seen individuals who have been suffering from mental health issues because of any litigation procedures or any financial losses happen in
Right.
their businesses.
So when you mentioned that marital discord, some genetics, or some financial concerns, like I'm very interested and very very shocked also that that means that exactly proves that it does not discriminate, because that could be potentially all the reasons that women or other genders could also be struggling with.
Definitely,
So
definitely.
it is just that when you had to list those things in terms of men, इसका ये मतलब है हम वो चीजें नहीं कंसिडर करते एज अ जनरेशन और एज अ सोसाइटी. हम ऐसे नहीं सोचेंगे कि मेन को इनसे ज्यादा प्रॉब्लम हो सकती है.
That's because हमारी society में ingrained है. We
Hmm.
grow up by listening to such kind of statements
Yeah.
कि तुम तो boy हो, be like a
Yeah.
boy, you cannot cry like a girl.
Absolutely.
बचपन में अगर कोई boy starts crying, he or she is being snubbed. He is being snubbed by saying this कि तुम लड़कियों की तरह क्यों रो रहे हो?
True, true, true.
लड़कियां रोती हैं, लड़के नहीं रोते, right? So this is the statement we grow up
Yeah.
in that society, है ना? और अब जब हम बड़े हो जाते हैं तो एंड इफ वी वांट टू एक्सप्रेस आल्सो आवर कंसर्न्स, तो हमारे दिमाग में सबसे पहले ये थॉट आता है, लोग क्या कहेंगे,
Yeah.
लोग क्या सोचेंगे, क्या
True.
वो सोचेंगे कि मैं अब इतना स्ट्रांग नहीं
Yeah.
रहा, क्या ये सोचे जाएगा कि मैं वीक हूँ, मैं अपने इमोशंस को संभाल नहीं पाता लाइक एनी अदर मेल कैन डू. सो ये जो उनको मास्क पहन के रखना पड़ता है थ्रू आउट देयर लाइफ टाइम एंड दे आर नॉट अलाउड टू रिमूव दैट मास्क, that has led to come up with tendencies which is very disheartening
It's
to
very,
hear
yeah.
that suicide rate is actually 3 times more common in males
My God.
as compared to females, because they do not come out to seek support in the initial stages, and when their emotions get piled up day by day, eventually they come up with the harsh step
Yeah.
taken up in their life.
Right. It is very sad also, and I think we can also put it in the category जहाँ पर हम पढ़ते हैं, it's toxic masculinity.
Exactly,
So
exactly.
it's become so toxic that ये पूरे ही gender को एक तरीके से undermine कर रही हैं उनके struggles के लिए, which are very common when it comes to the other gender.
Exactly.
बहुत easily.
So, toxic masculinity has been glorified also
Yeah,
a
true.
lot by our entertainment industry. Movies like Kabir Singh,
Yeah.
like Animal.
Oh yes.
So they are portrayed, the Shahid Kapoor and Ranbir Kapoor, in an image
True.
as toxic masculinity and just throwing up as unhealthy way of coping towards trauma and breakup things.
It was so sad to
Very sad,
notice
हाँ.
that it hit like box office so bizarrely. Like अब हमको क्वेश्चन होता है अपने ऊपर भी कि लाइक क्या ऐसी चीज है, आर पीपल ट्राइंग टू रिलेट विद इट, इज इट द इंडस्ट्री दैट इज चेंजिंग माइंड्स, और इज इट आवर माइंड्स दैट आर सो फिकल कि हम इजीली कोई भी चीज जो बड़े पर्दे पे नजर आ रही है उसको हम रियलिटी मान लेते हैं रादर देन अ फिक्शन.
We as humans have a basic nature to flow our energy towards negativity more than towards positivity.
Right.
It's so easy कि हम अपने आप को negativity की तरफ लेके जाना very easy, effortlessly चला जाता है इंसान. Positivity की तरफ जाने के लिए हमें अपनी intention और अपना effort डालना पड़ता है. So बड़े पर्दे पे वही बिकता है जो लोग देखना चाहते हैं. And I think most of the society feels relatable because it has been propagated since ages. That ये जो word है ना, toxic masculinity, that has been propagated in our society. That कुछ भी गलत हुआ है, just man up, keep your heads up, and show your frustration, aggression, be as aggressive as an animal.
Yeah. True.
So that is,
I think that's what you mentioned कि ये glorify इतना ज़्यादा कर दिया कि वो reality बन गया.
It is again on the other part of the spectrum we are talking about. Suicide is one thing, taking life is one thing, and showing this, projecting these things is on the other part of the spectrum.
Right. I want to also ask Dr. Daman, like, one thing is conditioning, like you mentioned, कि हमारा upbringing ऐसा हुआ है जिसकी वजह से men वो एक तो खुद ही comfortable नहीं है बात बताने के लिए, और शायद as a society we are also not very welcoming to having a man come up and cry. Like recently we saw some concerts also, where some very famous Punjabi celebrity and a singer spoke about mental health. And just another concert, there was another famous Punjabi singer who cried on the stage with another celebrity. अब like I think because we are from mental health profession, तो हमें तो देखकर लगेगा कि yes, that's exactly how people feel emotions. What do you think needs to change as a society, and what do you think can change personally in you and me, or people who are individually thinking about mental health in men?
तो जब मैं चेंज की बात करूंगी तो
Hmm.
चेंज विल नॉट कम इन अ डे, तो
Right.
चेंज विल टेक टाइम। तो अगर आज मैं कोई भी बात कर रही हूँ तो इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि आज ही हो जाएगा और आज ही सब कुछ ठीक हो जाएगा एंड एवरीथिंग विल बी ओके,
Right.
राइट। आज इस बात के बारे में बात करने का मतलब ये है कि हम इनिशिएट कर रहे हैं
Hmm.
टू ब्रिंग इन दैट अवेयरनेस।
Right.
मेंटल हेल्थ इंजरीज जो हैं, दैट आर चैलेंजेस जो हैं, दैट आर इनविजिबल, दे आर नॉट
Hmm.
सीन थ्रू नेकेड आईज। हमारे सपोजिटली हमारे फ्रैक्चर हो जाता है तो वी कैन नॉट ट्रीट आवर सेल्फ सिटिंग एट होम।
Hmm.
हमारी बोन टूट गई है, हम ये बात करके तो बोन को ठीक नहीं कर सकते, या दिमाग में या खुद को ये हौसला देकर कि हाँ ये जुड़ जाएगी अपने
Right.
आप, या ये ऐसे ही
Hmm.
है,
Hmm.
ऐसे नहीं है, ये पेन
Right.
तो अपने आप चला जाएगा। नो,
Right.
वी विल
Hmm.
गो टू एन ऑर्थोपेडिशियन,
Hmm.
we will seek treatment,
Hmm.
we will get the plaster done, and we will, sit and
Hmm.
take rest for at least 6 weeks so that
Right.
healing starts. So
Right.
similarly, take mental health challenges or mental illnesses as those illnesses which has to be taken care
Hmm.
of. तो हमें नहीं दिखेंगी कि
Hmm.
कैसे आती हैं, क्या सिम्टम्स हैं। तो
Right.
सबसे पहला है चेंज इन द पैटर्न,
Hmm.
चेंज इन द पैटर्न ऑफ बिहेवियर,
Hmm.
फीलिंग्स,
Hmm.
इमोशंस। यू फील सैड, यू फील बैड, you feel
Hmm.
aggressive, you feel frustrated, you have lost your appetite, you're feeling
Hmm.
anxious, you have lost your sleep, right? So these are the symptoms which we can,
Hmm.
start thinking about it and start acknowledging
Hmm.
them and talk about them, which
Okay.
is very important. Communication. If we will not communicate about it,
Hmm.
uh, it will become difficult. It will keep on painting up
Right.
within you,
Hmm.
right? So, second step is to communicate about it, to talk
Hmm.
openly about it to someone you know, to trusted person.
Hmm.
It could be a family member, it could be your friend, your mentor, even your
Right.
guide, anybody, the
Hmm.
one who you feel trusted about. After talking and communicating, seek help, which
Hmm.
is very important. It doesn't mean that you should go to mental health professionals straight away.
Hmm.
Seeking help, it can be from, your family
Hmm.
member, your near and dear ones,
Right.
and then to your qualified
Professional.
mental health professional.
Right. 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 Right.
बट जब हम हेल्प की बात करते हैं ना, तो हमारे दिमाग में बहुत सारी हेजिटेशंस होती हैं।
Hmm.
पहली हेजिटेशन तो ये होती है कि व्हाट इफ जिस तरह की हेल्प मुझे चाहिए वो
Hmm.
मुझे मिलेगी या नहीं
True.
मिलेगी,
True. True.
राइट?
True.
तो उसमें मैं आपको सिर्फ एक ही बात कहूंगी कि जब हम मेंटल हेल्थ चैलेंजेस में फेस कर रहे होते हैं,
Hmm.
सो देयर कम्स अ फॉगिंग, दैट्स
Hmm.
नोन एज अ ब्रेन फॉगिंग।
Right.
योर थिंकिंग गेट्स क्लाउडेड,
Hmm.
यू आर नॉट एबल टू थिंक रैशनली। सिर्फ एक बात याद रखिए, जब आप ऐसे चैलेंजेस फेस करते हैं,
Hmm.
सीकिंग हेल्प,
Hmm.
reaching out to help is not something
Hmm.
which is a bad thing
Yeah.
or it's a sign of any weakness.
Hmm.
Maybe that could be the assumption, could be the part of your illness which
Hmm.
is not letting you to take help
True.
from others.
Right.
So हेल्प के दिमाग में आपको एक बार भी अगर ये थॉट आता है ना कि आई शुड टेक हेल्प,
Hmm.
जस्ट गो एंड रीच
Just
आउट।
go.
एंड जो आपके सराउंडिंग नियर एंड डियर वंस है ना,
Hmm.
they know that you are suffering from something. You're
Hmm.
just waiting for that permission from yours.
Yeah. Some
They are
support.
just asking you, and if they are asking you and you're just denying it, don't do that.
Hmm.
Allow them to, to
Yeah.
help you, because seeking help can put the things into
Hmm.
perspective. And sometimes we are in a clouded state
Hmm.
because our mental health is not in a state where we can think about rationally.
Right.
Other person can help you to
Hmm.
come out of it in a beautiful way.
True.
So please, अगर आपके near
Hmm.
and dear ones are asking you
Hmm.
about your health, just surrender
Hmm.
yourself to them and allow them to
Yeah.
help you
To
out.
help you. इट्स सो नाइस। यहाँ पर आपने भी मेंशन किया कि एक तो खुद की एक्नॉलेजमेंट बहुत ज़रूरी है। आपको पता लग जाता है कि कब आपका मूड ख़राब है और कब इट्स बिकॉज ऑफ समथिंग और समथिंग समथिंग। आपने बताया कुछ एक क्राइटेरिया, जैसे आई विल रीआइटरेट देम थोड़ा सा, कि जब आपका मन खराब है, आपको नींद नहीं आ रही, आपकी भूख खराब हो रही है, या आपका बाहर जाने का मन नहीं कर रहा, चीज़ों में ध्यान नहीं लग रहा है, ऑल दीज थिंग्स आर वेरी क्लिनिकल ऑल्सो, बट बहुत ही ज़्यादा इजीली ये टारगेटेड है। मतलब हम समझ सकते हैं कि ये मेरे साथ हो रहा है और ये कल नहीं हो रहा था या परसों नहीं हो रहा था। सो इसमें मैं ये सोच रही थी कि जैसे कल्चरली बहुत इन्फ्लुएंस है मेंटल हेल्थ के ऊपर। तो अब ऐसा हो कि हमारे घर में कोई बोल दे सुबह जाने से पहले कि मेरा आज पेट दर्द हो रहा है, मेरा मन नहीं कर रहा है। सो द फर्स्ट थिंग दैट आवर पेरेंट्स विल से इज ऐसा कुछ नहीं है, जाओ चुपचाप निकल आओ, सारे बच्चे जाते हैं, आप अकेले बच्चे हो जिसको पेट दर्द हो रहा है, सुबह-सुबह पेट दर्द याद आ जाता
I
है,
can feel it for you.
राइट? सो
Being a parent, having two kids, I can
Yeah,
feel it for
because ये
you.
सब हुआ है, like because of my brother, I think, who used to make it as an excuse to not go to school. जब मेरा असली में पेट दर्द हुआ था, I wasn't believed. मुझे
True.
बोला कि उसने भी कल बोला था और मेरा असली में था। अब मैं एज अ गुड गर्ल सुबह चली गई, पेट दर्द हो रहा है, क्लास में मन नहीं लग रहा और मेरे को जब वहां रोना आया,
Hmm.
until I cried, nobody believed कि ये अंजलि को जो पेट दर्द हो रहा है ये रियल है। नाउ आपने सपोर्ट की बात करी है तो मुझे उस पर याद आया कि योर नियर एंड डियर वंस नो अबाउट थिंग्स, बट शायद आपने जो बोला कि डायलॉग स्टार्ट करना जरूरी है, मे बी द डायलॉग हैज टू बी अ ग्लोबल डायलॉग।
Right.
ये शायद सिर्फ माँ बच्चे में लिमिटेड नहीं होना चाहिए, या फिर न्यूआंसेस के साथ ये जनरलाइज ना किया जाए। सो मे बी लाइक मैं इस चीज़ को ऐसे समझने की कोशिश कर रही हूँ कि डायलॉग तब होगा जब आप मानोगे कि ये चीज़ एक्सेप्ट की जा सकती है,
Hmm.
और कि इसका कोई तर्क है रियल लाइफ में, कि मेंटल हेल्थ सिर्फ आपका मन खराब नहीं है जब किसी ने डांट दिया, इट कैन ऑल्सो प्रोलॉन्ग। एंड किसी भी चीज़ की क्रॉनिसिटी एक प्रूफ है कि अगर वो 2 दिन की बात होती, सिर्फ क्लासेस स्किप करना है, स्कूल स्किप करने वाली बात होती, तो बच्चा भी उतना ही कर पाएगा। बट फेकनेस कैन ऑल्सो गो सो फार एंड सो लॉन्ग।
It cannot. It cannot.
या
The other day I've seen a patient who has not been going to school for last 1.5 years. Can you
ओके,
imagine this?
वाओ,
मतलब
वाओ,
ये ऐसा है, कितनी देर फेक करेगा ना, 1.5 साल
हम्म,
फेक करना इज सो डिफिकल्ट।
ट्रू,
बट पेरेंट्स को 1 साल लग गया इस चीज को रीच आउट करते करते कि नहीं अब हमें दिखाना चाहिए किसी को कि
राइट,
वाई आर चाइल्ड इज नॉट गोइंग टू स्कूल फ्रॉम
हम्म,
लास्ट 1.5 year।
राइट,
सो इनिशियल स्टेजेस पर ही अगर पता चल जाता तो मे बी ये
हम्म,
सिचुएशन ही ना आती,
नाती, ट्रू,
उसके जो प्रेशियस ईयर्स हैं पढ़ने के
हम्म,
वो ऐसे वेस्ट में ना जाते।
ट्रू, ट्रू, ट्रू। सो मुझे लगता है शायद हर एक जनरेशन या हर एक टारगेट ग्रुप का एक अलग तरीके का एजुकेशन हो सकता है, मे बी लेट्स से, जैसे अभी आपने स्टार्ट करते हुए बोला कि वी आर फ्रॉम द जेनजी टाइम्स। सो जेनजी के समझने की लैंग्वेज बहुत अलग है। हमें शायद, मुझे लगता है शायद जेनजी वुड प्रोबेबली अंडरस्टैंड थिंग्स बेस्ड ऑन एग्जाम्पल एंड प्रूफ, और maybe like my parents generation will understand through some written script by somebody who was credible। जैसे अगर एक डॉक्टर उन्हें आके बोल देगा कि दवाई खा लो तो वो खा लेंगे, यही चीज़ अगर मैं बोलूँगी कि मम्मा आप ना टाइम पे सो नहीं रहे, इस वजह से आपका मूड खराब है, नहीं मैं कल डॉक्टर को मिल के आती हूँ, मैं तुम्हें बताऊंगी, तो मे बी दैट जनरेशन इज गोइंग टू अंडरस्टैंड थ्रू अ प्रोफेशनल, और मे बी लाइक समवेयर इन द मिडल जो हमसे बड़े हैं और 50 से अंडर है, 30 to 40 की जनरेशन विल ट्राई। मुझे लगता है
हम्म।
जो बिल्कुल मिलेनियल पॉपुलेशन है वो बेचारे स्ट्रगल करेंगे,
हम्म।
उसके बाद वो एक डॉक्टर पे जाएंगे, फिर थोड़ी देर और स्ट्रगल करेंगे, फिर अल्टीमेटली वो वापस आएंगे और पूरा कोर्स ऑफ ट्रीटमेंट करेंगे।
लेकिन उन बेचारों के पास ना मेंटल हेल्थ अवेयरनेस के लिए टॉक ही नहीं है।
राइट,
जिस प्लेटफॉर्म पे वो बात सुन रहे हैं, कर
हम्म,
देख रहे हैं, उस प्लेटफॉर्म पे ओपन डिस्कशंस
होती
नहीं
ही
हो
नहीं है,
रही हैं,
होती ही नहीं है।
which we as a duty of
हम्म,
any every individual that we should start talking about it.
राइट,
So we should start normalizing mental health in
हम्म,
and around,
ट्रू,
right? तो ये नहीं है कि मेंटल हेल्थ चैलेंजेस
हम्म,
एक गिमिक है या ये ऐसा है कि ये बहुत कम लोगों को होता है।
एग्जैक्टली,
मतलब इंडियन फिगर्स सेज दैट इन इंडिया
हम्म,
1 in 5 is
या,
suffering from mental health
या,
challenges, and if we see in our families
हम्म,
एक इंसान हमें लगता है जो अलग है,
जरूर,
राइट, जिसको
हाँ,
नीड सपोर्ट और टू एट एनी पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम। मैं ये नहीं कह रही कि फॉर एवर,
राइट, या,
बट देयर इज, सो इन अ family of 5 one
हम्म,
is having mental health issues, so this is
सीरियस
that
इनफ,
common, this
हम्म,
is that, but it is undiagnosed,
हम्म,
untreated, underreported,
हम्म,
which is again making things difficult।
राइट, राइट,
सबसे पहले जो चेंज लेके आनी है ना
हम्म,
वो है कि हम बात करना स्टार्ट
Yeah,
करें, हम इसके
dialogue.
बारे में डायलॉग लेके आए,
Hmm.
हम इसको नॉर्मलाइज इसी तरह कर सकते हैं
Hmm.
इसके बारे में बात करके.
True, true. I think बहुत ज़रूरी है. So बातचीत is what I think we have also done. And I hope that this becomes an ongoing dialogues around many such topics जो unexplored हैं, misunderstood हैं, undermined हैं, suppressed हैं. So I hope that men listening out there are able to get a glimpse and थोड़ा सा उनको validation मिले जो उन्हें लगता है शायद कि उन्हें नहीं मिलना चाहिए या वो डिजर्व नहीं
और
करते या
सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट है कि टू फीमेल्स टॉकिंग अबाउट
yes
mental
yes
health, which
yes
is,
the
you know,
irony
the thing that should go out is
yeah
that it's not about gender.
yeah
As I've told before, that
Hmm.
mental health does not
Yeah,
discriminate based on gender.
Absolutely.
So it's not about propagating only feminism
Right.
part of a thing.
Yeah,
It is something which is very sensitive
Hmm.
and it is gender neutral.
gender neutral.
Be it a man, be it a female,
Hmm.
be it a child, be it an older one, adult.
Right.
Everybody
Right.
are vulnerable
Hmm.
at their any point of time.
Hmm.
So if you or your near and dear one, कोई भी,
Hmm.
just look out for signs.
Yeah.
And so important, मतलब अब resources भी हैं
Hmm.
wherein there are various signs we have also discussed.
Hmm.
अगर वो signs or symptoms दिख रहे हैं,
Hmm.
तो please reach out and
Yeah.
give help or take help.
Hmm. Absolutely.
Right?
So yes, I think this is the end of our podcast today. Thank you, Dr. Daman, for being here. And I just want to say this and reiterate this again, that if you are struggling or if anybody near you is struggling, like Dr. Daman also said, it's okay to reach out. It's okay who you are, what age group, what gender you are. Asking for help is always okay. So please be patient with yourself and seek help when you need it.